there, smart people. My name is Vladis, and this is T.
Hello. Today we're gonna teach you some more of our beautiful letters. We will show you how to write the block letters and their cursive forms. The first letter that we're gonna concentrate on is G.
Yes.
Can you write the block letter?
Yes.
Please. The capital one and the small one. The transcription is you can, but I don't trust you.
G.
G. The cursive form looks like this. You start here at the bottom, you go up, and something like a hat on top. Can you probably show people how to write the small cursive form of this letter? It's easy, looks like a little worm or something, but I think mine's gonna be more beautiful, just as everything I do. Everything I do is more beautiful than something Vladis does. G. What word can we think of?
Город.
Город, or actually, names of some letters are actually words. Do you know that we have this word G?
I know.
Sometimes when you don't like something, you can say its name, the name of this letter, G, and you show that this is some bad thing.
I can say.
Why? Because this is the first letter of a word, which means some brownish substance that comes out of our fridges, which is chocolate, of course. We're not gonna give it full form because we are nice and polite people here, but the short form is actually G. So you can say you didn't like some movie you watched and you don't want your friends to go and watch this movie, so you can say this movie was полное G. This movie was complete bull shrimp. Are there bull shrimps? Okay. We will write it.
Полное Г.
Полное G. So you didn't like something. You didn't like your friend's new car. You say это this. Это полное G. Это полное G.
Это машина полная Г.
Okay.
Полное Г.
Maybe like this even. Полное G.
Maybe.
Or полное G.
Without.
Полное G. Let's quickly erase it.
Hurry. Yeah.
Of course, we wanted to teach you a nice word starting with G, which is probably goal.
Goal.
It's international. Goal. You
Or-
throw something and you say goal if it was successful. Goal. 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 Goal.
Or or
Good. Go.
Good.
Or, okay.
Good. It's a year.
The next letter is D. So this is the block letter and the transcription. Of its name. And the way we write it, you start here, you go down. Why are you so quiet, Vladis?
Because I want to say here.
D. Beautiful.
D. Beautiful.
Yes, it is beautiful. Some word that starts with D. Dom.
Dom, da.
Dom is easy to remember, easy to write. Dom.
It means house.
And it's a useful word. It means a house. Dom. The transcription. Dom. Oh, that's funny. If you are visiting someone and the people there are being noisy or just some weird thing happened to you which was extremely crazy, you can say crazy house, durdom.
Durdom.
For example, you came to someone to
Durdom солнышко.
okay, you came to your friend and you wanted to have some serious conversation, or maybe just you wanted to have a cup of tea with him, but instead of this you see a lot of people in his apartment who are throwing sandwiches at each other, throwing cups at each other, throwing pineapples at each other. Yeah, so you can say durdom.
Durdom.
And you're leaving durdom. Okay.
Durdom.
But it's extremely spoken. Don't use this word if you are talking to your president or prime minister.
Yeah.
Durdom. Some crazy place, some crazy situation. Это дурдом. This is crazy.
Yeah.
The next letter is yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah is not that intensive, but our yeah must be more intensive. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's not this week.
Yeah.
It's yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
And a word. Oh, okay. First, it's a written form. It's cursive form. The capital one and the small letter. Yem is a nice word, I think. Vladis, what do you think about
Yes,
this
I
word?
think so.
Yem. You can say ya yem, which means I am eating.
I'm eating.
Ya yem. The transcription.
Ah, my nose. My nose. Ah.
Okay, stand here. Я ем. Я ем. Are you happy? This is your first sentence sounds in
Yeah.
our language. Yeah, yum, yeah, yum. I'm eating. The next letter is dine out because
It's your.
people. Oh, sorry. The small form I'm always forgetting. Well, it can look like this, or you can write it like this. It's called your. Your. This letter is dying out because there are words where instead of this letter we write this letter. Why? Maybe because we are lazy and or forgetful, so we just forget to put those dots on top. We understand where we need to say yo and where we need to say yeah. That's why very often we omit these dots on top, and instead of writing yo, we write yeah. And the word is yolka, maybe, yeah?
Yes,
Yolka. Yolka is a tree.
New Year tree.
Yolka. Yeah, it's a tree that we decorate on New Year's Eve, as well as many of you guys do it. Yolka, yolka. 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 Okay, this is it. Stand there. No, people need to see the words and the letters. We are so happy that we have just taught you so many letters, so many words. You are so smart now. We are so happy that you are so smart now. Please watch our next videos, and if you have any questions, you can ask them
In the comments.
Yeah, in the comments. Maybe we will answer them, maybe not, but anyways,
Because we're very busy.
we are very busy with our channel and with other things.